So unison 8 on a hand. This exercise is a great exercise to work your technique and check that both hands look the same. So what does unison mean? Well, unison simply means that we're hitting both sticks at exactly the same time. And what we're trying to do, if I came on in slow motion, is we want them to hit at exactly the same moment. We don't want to get one a little bit earlier because that obviously creates a flat. We want them both to arrive exactly the same time. Now what you'll hear on the drum is that the noise almost cancels itself out when you hit it correctly. So you'll hear a complete different sound between this, where they're slightly apart, and this. When I get it, there's kind of a cook, cook kind of noise that it made in here. I don't know if you can hear that, but the exercise then is quite a simple one, right? We start with 8 with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As with other exercises like this, the 8th one is a downstroke. The left hand lifts, so play it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time we let it come back up, but this time the right joins it, because then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're both going to play together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the little tag on the end is simply 16th notes like this. And then we play the whole thing again. So 8 again. Both together. Oops, that's a flam. And then a release to finish. As I said, this is a really good exercise for you to check that both hands look the same, especially on this unison part. What we're looking for is the beads. Are they coming up at the same speed and going down at the same speed? Are we lifting to the same height? Is this one going to here and this one only going here? We want to be in front of a mirror and try and see if we can match them to be the same. This next section, same thing. We're just using the techniques that we've learned off of this and implement them when we do the singles. So here's the whole of the exercise. As it gets faster, I'd probably decrease the height a little. Now the key to not getting a flam after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then both together, is that you lift this right hand up, so 5, 6, 7, 8, so that it's in the same position as the left hand for that first downstroke. 5, 6, 7, 8, both together. 5, 6, 7, 8, both together. So that may be something just worth practicing on its own, just to perfect it. Another easy exercise, it's all about legato, loose strokes, nice and big to start with. As we speed up, a little bit lower. Obviously push the speed, lots of practice, lots of reps. Good luck hitting your target tempos. See you with the next one. 100 beats per minute. $130 beats per minute. $160 beats per minute.